Good morning, everyone. I wanted to do a quick little Monday morning balance. It's a tumultuous weather here in Queensland, Brisbane, Australia at the moment. It's raining, it's windy, it's blustery, and it looks like it's going to be like that for at least another week, which is really interesting given, we've been chatting about the fact that we're in the middle of this 6-week high energy on the planet. And it's the time to let go of the old stuff and rebuild the new stuff. And I remember when I was 30, I went to a psychic and she was doing animal cards. And one of the cards that showed up was a spider. And my brain immediately went, ooh, I really hate spiders. I'm very much like Ron in Harry Potter, don't throw a spider at me. Anyway, so she said, no, spiders are amazing. They're like this animal that every night they can lose everything and they just rebuild every morning. And it's beautiful and it's glistening and it's silver and it's lovely. So spider energy, tumultuous weather energy, it's all moving energy. Things can't get stagnant when things are moving. So I thought it was a really nice, just really nice. So then when I pulled up my affirmation of the day, it was about happiness. How happy have you decided to be today? Are you a 5 out of 10? Are you a 2 out of 10? Are you an 8 out of 10? Happiness is a choice. Happiness is a choice. And it's my son's birthday today, so we'll be having a family dinner tonight, so that'll be all lovely. And, so let's get into thinking about letting go and rebuilding. Letting go and rebuilding, because that's what the planet needs to do. We need to see a way forward that is light and loving and wonderful. Okay, so let me muscle test. Should I use an etheric body? Should I use myself? A bit of both. Okay, so I'll use a bit of both. Interesting. Okay, so I choose happiness. Can you hear the wind? I choose health. I choose to be happy. Whoa, let all that energy blow away. Okay, so what do we need? Adrenal, survival, deep survival, hidden deep survival. So there's both a deep survival and a hidden deep survival pattern. Where's it stored? EMC, MMC, PVS, in the PVSS. Okay, so the periventricular survival system. In the finger modes for all of the senses. So I want you to hear, I want you to feel, I want you to see, I want you to visualize what's going on in your life that you need to let go of to allow you to be happy. What do you need to let go of and what do you need to allow? Okay. First little area is the anterior cingulate gyrus. So this little area is about being perfect under stress. It's the one that sets up our OCDs. I can't be happy until I'm perfect. I can't be happy until my weight is optimal. I can't be happy until I've got the perfect job. I can't be happy until my family's talking again. So it's that always waiting for something. Let go of that OCD. Let go of that need for things to be perfect. Life is perfect right now. Okay, tapping anti-clockwise over the heart. Okay. So there's another little layer of this anterior cingulate gyrus I've got to do. So the first one was an old pain and punishment circuit. This one's escape, submission, freeze, the fourth amygdala point. It's wanting to run away or freezing under stress, not being able to communicate, not being able to access knowledge that you have under stress. So it's knowing that I am a good person, I am worthy, I deserve the best, I deserve to be in alignment on the planet, I deserve to be here on the planet. Being human is fun, being human is fun. Okay, next little area is shown up. So the subcolossal gyrus. That's the one that has inherited, it's that spectrum from depression to rage and anger. So somewhere on that spectrum when we get jammed, now I'm trying to take time off social media at the moment. That's escape, submission, free. So subcolossal gyrus. So once again, thinking about anger to depression, you can imagine that angers are more useful emotion, depression's a less useful emotion. Because when we're angry, we get fiery, we get that, energy in our belly that makes us want to do things. So that's escape, submission, freeze. There's another subcolossal gyrus circuit. There's the fire. There's the rage, anger, frustration. I no longer need to feel angry. I no longer need to feel frustrated. I release the need to be in control. I choose to be happy. I choose to be free. I choose to be a sovereign being. I love being me. Okay, next. There's something going on in the frontal cortex, so that's the area that, is linked in with pineal, pituitary, frontal cortex energy, and it's when the serotonin, dopamine, oxytocin is out of whack. Okay, because of internalized anger. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So the anger, depression, that little circuitry is just going back and forth at the moment. So let me check if there's something else. Is there, say, a chakra? Heart chakra. Heart chakra. Okay. So, heart. I am love. I am lovable. I deserve to be loved. I am loved. I am willing to be loved. I am able to be loved. Love is a choice. I choose to be loved. I choose to be love. I choose to be loving. Just going to shimmy that energy. Sorry, this is going to be loud. was really getting jammed about 4 inches out with heart energy. You want heart energy to be quite big. So when we've been injured, when we've been damaged, when we've been traumatized, the heart energy can implode and it doesn't want to get out there because it knows it's going to be heard. So breathe into your heart. Feel some nice healing light over your heart energy, whatever color works for you. For me, well, I always like pink energy over the heart. There it goes. Okay. Okay, a little reticular activating circuit, so up over the skull. Okay, so this one is to, once again, we're talking happiness, letting go of the old, allowing for the new. What do we want in our lives? What is no longer serving us? Letting go of those belief systems, of those traumas, of those relationships that are no longer serving us. Allowing for the new to come into our life in a better, healthier, more productive, more loving, more beautiful way. So, RAS. Yeah, so the first points that are showing up are the acetylcholine points, which is like that triple shot of coffee. It's like that high energy, which can be fabulous when you want that energy to move forward and make decisions and get things done. But what it's doing here in the RAS is creating vigilance in the nervous system. So it's adding energy. It's adding trauma and anxiety. So we need to calm that down. Yeah, because that can make us feel, you know, when you're on edge, it can make you feel vigilant, it can make you feel stressed, it can make us more wired. Okay, my client's just pulling in. Take care, everyone. Have a fabulous Monday. Happiness is a choice.